What if you could stop working today and still live comfortably for the rest of your life? Does the idea of financial freedom excite you? If that question makes you think, you're not alone. Most of us focus on earning money, but building true wealth is the key to long-term freedom. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful steps to start growing your net worth consistently. These aren't just empty strategies. These are actionable tips that will help you manage your money, grow your savings, and set yourself up for a secure future. Ready to transform your finances? Let's dive in. Step 1. Track your spending and start budgeting. The first step to growing your net worth is understanding where your money is going. Without tracking your expenses, it's impossible to know where you can save and invest. Most millionaires track their money because what gets measured improves. It's as simple as that. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for a week. At the end of the week, you'll see exactly where your money is going and where you can cut back. One of the most effective ways to budget is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method helps keep you balanced, ensuring that your day-to-day life is funded while you also prepare for the future. If you're serious about managing your finances, try the zero-based budgeting method. This system assigns every dollar to a category. It gives you complete control over how your money is spent. You can even use cash envelope systems to control spending in certain categories. Trust me, a simple, consistent budget can reveal hidden savings you never knew existed. Once you start tracking, you'll be amazed at how much money you're wasting on unnecessary purchases, which you can easily redirect into savings or investments. Your financial freedom begins with understanding your spending habits. So don't wait any longer to take charge of your finances. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is one of the biggest barriers to building wealth. Think about it. Credit card debt can carry an average interest rate of around 24%. That means if you have $10,000 in credit card debt and you're only making minimum payments, you'll end up paying well over $15,000 in interest alone. Instead of paying those high interest rates, why not invest that money? Historically, the S&P 500 has given around 7 to 10% annual returns. If you invested that $15,000 instead of giving it away to the bank, you could turn it into $100,000 over 20 years. That's the massive opportunity of just making minimum payments. And it's why clearing debt is so crucial. To get rid of high-interest debt, try the debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rate first. This strategy saves you the most money over time. But if you need more motivation, you can try the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. These methods will help you stay motivated as you see balances disappear. Whatever strategy you choose, the goal is to pay more than the minimum. The faster you clear that high-interest debt, the quicker you can use that money for building wealth. By aggressively attacking your high-interest debt, you free up more resources for your future financial growth, allowing you to invest and save for larger financial goals. Remember, your future financial freedom starts with eliminating the debt that's holding you back. Step 3. Automate your savings. The third step to growing your net worth is automation. Vanguard research shows that automating your savings can help you double your savings rate. This is an absolute game changer. For example, if your employer offers a 401k with a match, take advantage of it. Set up automatic contributions straight from your paycheck. Aim to save at least 15% of your income. But if that's too much right now, start with 5%. The key is to automate your savings so that it's one less thing you have to worry about. The beauty of automation is that once you set it up, it runs on its own. Your savings grow without you needing to remember to transfer money each month. Also, build an emergency fund. You never know when life will throw you a curveball, whether it's a medical emergency or unexpected repairs. Keep 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account, so you're prepared for anything. This way, you won't need to dip into your investment accounts when the unexpected happens. If you're married or have dependents, consider saving for 6 to 12 months of expenses to ensure extra security. Start small with your emergency fund and work your way up over time. Once you've automated your savings and emergency fund, you'll find it's much easier to achieve financial peace of mind. The more you automate, the less stress you'll have, knowing that your future is secure. Step 4. Start investing. Once you've got your debt under control and your savings automated, it's time to invest. Investing can seem intimidating, but you don't need to be a stock market genius to get started. Index funds are your friend. These funds track the performance of the S&P 500, which includes the top 500 companies in the U.S. historically. Investing in index funds has delivered around 7 to 10% returns annually. Start small. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Stay consistent. Don't panic during market dips, and remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is to be consistent and let the power of compounding work its magic. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Also, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k. These accounts give you a tax break, so you keep more of your money in the long run. When you make your investment contributions automatic, your money grows without you even thinking about it. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. The key to successful investing is patience, discipline, and consistency. Over the long haul, your investments will build the wealth you need for financial independence and retirement. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. So don't delay getting started. Step 5. Increase your income. The fifth and final step to growing your net worth is to increase your income. No matter how much you save, your wealth-building potential will always be limited if you only have one income stream. To grow your wealth faster, consider negotiating your salary, finding a high-income skill, or starting a side hustle. If you don't ask, you won't get it. Salary negotiations are a powerful way to boost your income. Most people never ask for raises, but simply asking for a 10 to 15% increase can drastically change your financial trajectory. If you're unsure of your worth, research industry standards for your role and be prepared to demonstrate your achievements. Additionally, consider learning a high-income skill. Skills like coding, digital marketing, or AI can open up new doors for you. Even if you're not ready to leave your job, you can still work on these skills in your spare time. Another option is a side hustle. Side hustles allow you to earn extra money outside of your main job. Even making an extra $500 a month can fast-track your net worth. Whether you're driving for a ride-sharing app, tutoring, or selling products online, side hustles can be a great way to generate additional income. The goal is to maximize your earning potential in multiple ways. Your income is one of the most powerful tools you have, so make sure you're utilizing it to its fullest potential. And that's it. The 5 steps to start growing your net worth consistently. These are simple yet powerful strategies that anyone can use to take control of their finances. The key is consistency, automation, and smart decision-making. Now, I want to hear from you. Which step are you going to start with? Drop a comment below and let us know how you plan to take action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to grow your wealth and secure your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.